Welcome to the Driving the World podcast series. I'm your host, Cully Holland. Today we have Josh Sluiter, a product and application engineer from our corporate electronics group, and we'll be talking about our DCA motors. Hey, Josh, how are you doing today?
Doing well. Thanks for having me on the podcast.
Very happy that you came and talked to us. So today we're talking about our DCA motors, gear motors. So what exactly are they?
Well, there are our new product portfolio of low voltage 48 volt DCA brushless motors that we're now offering. Come in a variety of different gearboxes, motor sizes, different offering for our customers.
Very cool. Well, I'm sure if we're offering it, it's going to be filling a hole in our portfolio and it's going to be needed. So when we're talking low voltage, are we going to just have like one type of motor with one style of communication, or how are the motors going to work?
Well, we'll have a couple different ones. You have the standalone motor, which will be just binary communication, or we'll have our own variant, which will have our smart electronics, which will have our DFC, DSI variants, so Ethernet IP, Modbus TCP, and EtherCAT communication, and those will be all incorporated into our product.
Those just different field bus options for our customers to use to kind of talk to the motor itself.
Yes, standard field bus options that already are existing in our current portfolio and out in the industry.
Awesome. So what are some of the benefits of these low voltage motors, and like why would they be chosen over just kind of the standard AC motor a lot of folks know?
Well, first off, you don't have to run your three-phase high voltage 480 cabling anywhere. You can keep it simple, your standard breakers and just a small compact 48 volt inverter. Keep it simple. I mean, it just makes the whole application more compact and easier to fit in small applications and more diverse.
I can definitely see where that would be a need. So you mentioned gearboxes. So I'm assuming there's different gearboxes we can put on there. So tell me about a few of those and maybe some other options that can come on the DCA motors.
Yeah, so basically with the standalone and our Movement ELV motors, we'll have 4 different gearbox options that are options between both of them. Right angle, inline, our F-box, and the different gear ratios, 2-3 stages. I mean, the gear ratios are pretty wide.
Fantastic. And on the motor, are there other things you can get, like is a brake or something like that going to be an option?
Yeah, brake options available, same with an encoder.
Okay, so we have pretty much a fully functioning motor with all the bells and whistles going to be available too.
Yes, pretty much. It's our encoder, and yeah, DDI is also available.
Fantastic. Single cable technology is definitely going to be nice in a compact environment. So you said compact and tight spaces, simple with lower voltages. What are some applications? What are some applications that we could find these in?
I mean, you can see them anywhere that there's like a low load application, like lightweight conveyors, hoists, shuttles. We're seeing them in low voltage AGVs because they're so light and you can fit them into the AGVs without having have to worry about the 3-phase. And then we're also working on an application where we have a off-road mobility cart app working on with a customer. So that's that kind of cool application that we're seeing with them.
That's very cool and definitely a very diverse portfolio and application range we can fit in. And the AGVs, just so I'm clear, they're not going to be powering the AGVs. They're going to be like powering conveyor tops or something on the top.
They can be powering everything on the AGVs, the drivetrain, the conveyors, whatever configuration that they're going to be
very cool.
seeing. So.
Yeah. Okay. So they're very, very practical and very useful.
Yes.
So we've covered pretty much the 10,000 foot view. Is there anything we may have missed or anything else you want to say about our DCA motors?
That's pretty much the overview of the product portfolio. I mean, there's STO, which I would add on to it. You can standard engineering interface is also available through MoviSuite, and yeah.
Fantastic. So if anyone wants to reach out for more information, they can just talk to their sales rep or even our inside electronics engineering team.
Yes, and eventually make its way back to us. Yeah.
Very good. Well, thank you so much for being on. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you again soon.
I hope to come out again.